You cannot come out. Leave the door, please. So I wake up everybody. Okay, first he gets out the bed and tears up the room as usual. And now he's trying to get out the door. But I'm going to show y'all something. I want to show y'all something. Because he's a mess. Say hi. Say hi. He's going to go to the door and open the door and get out, I think. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, maybe he is. And he's fully walking, as you can see. He thinks he's a grown man. Don't you walk out that door. Don't you do it. Look everyone, look. And the door's open. And the door's open. And here he goes, running. Watch. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? All over the cake. Get out the bathroom! Get out the bathroom! Go back this way. Go that way. Get out the bathroom, Jay. Go. I have to kick this boy. He's a mess. Could you go, please? Get up. Walk this way. Walk back to the room. Not down the steps. Back to the room. He's going to try the steps. Look. You sure you want to do that? He's going to try it? Is he going to try it? He's trying it. Oh, no. To the room. Walk to the room. Run to the room. My goodness, this boy. So, listen. Hey, you.